Sling let you do that. Hey, where are you going?
I wish my teacher would me choose.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Louisiana and southwestern Arkansas until 3:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm producing damaging winds was located along a line extending from South Shreveport, moving north-northeast at 36 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and/or ping-pong size hail. Source: this is a radar-indicated threat. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and/or power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Shreveport around 3:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Precautionary actions: for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Hello before
Yes,
the
sir.
evening start, but I'm sitting with Tim.
Mission is to bring those stories to you. Stories about real people, in real communities, to keep you connected, no matter where you are. Continuing our legacy of being the station you've trusted for over 70 years, our commitment is to find the facts and answers to the things that matter to you. Because the Arkla Miss matters to us. That's why KNOE 8 will always be your breaking news authority.
Good afternoon, this is Chief Meteorologist Cam Duval here, bringing to you live of a developing situation southwest of Monroe, Louisiana. There seems to be a strong thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado, and as a matter of fact, there's heavy rotation in this area, and I don't know why this isn't warned yet. So Monroe, Louisiana, West Monroe. Sorry for the long pause there, folks. We are getting reports of a large tornado on the ground as we speak. The National Weather Service has finally issued a PDS tornado.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for Ouachita Parish in northeastern Louisiana until 3:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Monroe, Louisiana, moving northwest at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: deadly tornado and hail of up to 3 inches in diameter. Source: trained weather spotters reported a large tornado. Impacts: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. This dangerous storm will be near Monroe and West Monroe, Louisiana around 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Precautionary preparedness actions. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Stay away from windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Okay, guys. Mr. Cam had to go warn his family, and I will be temporarily taking his place. If you are just tuning in, please take shelter now. Urgent. This is an extremely deadly wedge tornado on the ground right now, heading towards Monroe, Louisiana. I mean, look at that hook echo. Absolutely disturbing. Velocity is going crazy now. The latest scans are coming in. It's heading into Monroe right now. I'm at a loss for words. God, please save them. All you can do is pray.